So here we are again, cutting another body. Which body is this, Sal?
This is the Subaru Brat.
The polycarbonate one.
Polycarbonate
The Brat comes with two bodies. It comes with a hard body and a polycarbonate. So, just like this. And you got your trusty pal Rusty here helping. You just nicely around the wheel well, using your fingers on the body to help guide, besides holding the knife. Now, did you ever do a Brat polycarbonate for your cars?
No.
Sal has two Brats.
Yeah. No, mine is still brand new.
Oh, so you never did the polycarbonate, you only did the hard bodies?
Yeah.
So this is your first Subaru Brat that you're cutting out?
Yep.
That's kind of a big deal.
For me?
Hundreds of cars, and this is the first of this one.
So polycarbonate.
Yeah, I guess. Just different lines. And I don't think we're doing this, we're not sticking the box out with this guy. We're going to do a little something special. We're going to do, Sal's not an American football fan, he's a European football fan.
Soccer.
So it's what we call soccer.
I think we're done.
I'm an American NFL fan of the Pittsburgh Steelers. So we're going to do this car.
I think we're done.
Black and gold and white. Probably going to do the car in white. We ordered the black and gold stickers from MCI company. I'll put a link to. Awesome company. They could take any sticker sheet and change the colors around, and you could customize what you want. So just like all the other polycarbonates, you take the scissors, cut up to the score that you made with the X-Acto knife or whatever knife you're using, or you can just pull it off right like that if you cut good enough.
I want to do this.
Alright. Is that the side with the double score?
No, yeah, but it's like I said, it doesn't affect.
Comes right off.
Yeah, it doesn't affect, you know.
Wow. I tell you, and that was some cut that they did because of this little bump right here.
Yeah.
Where they put the bumper into it. Alright, we'll take off a little bit more and then we'll move on, and then when he does the masking, I'll show you a couple little tricks for masking too. Or maybe you know it, maybe you don't, who knows. But alright, we'll get to that when he gets to that part. See you in a bit. So the cuts are finished.
Yeah.
There's the Brat. Now just a couple little burrs and stuff.
I'm surprising myself, lady.
So I'm going to have to bring you more bodies to cut out. You cut them out painting?
I want to say one more thing. When you use the Dremel, and always be careful when you get to these delicate corners. Like, see, it's right here. Look, it's like paper thin.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, some parts are hard. This is unusual. You got to be careful because if this catches it, you could, you know, so always hold
So
on, you know,
do
give
you
it a
have
little
to-
support.
You have to go with the rotation of the Dremel?
Yeah, no, I mean, it just,
Just hold back a little bit.
yeah, be aware and support it a little bit.
Okay.
Because you don't want this to, you know.
I think I just painted my neck orange.
You what?
I think I just painted my neck orange. I scratched my neck.
No, it dries quick.
Alright, so.
Yeah, this is surprisingly very, very good. Really not much to...
This is going to be the driving body for the Brat.
It is?
Yeah, the hard ones. Come on!
What do you mean?
The hard body. You think I should drive the hard body or drive this body?
No, the hard body though.
Drive the hard body?
I mean, people do, but
I don't know.
nah.
We'll see. You know me, Sal.
These
I'm
are
going
not
to drive them both.
These are not bashing.
Yeah.
You know, what I mean,
Oh, they go 13 miles an hour, the Brat, right? Does the Brat come with a 540 or a 380?
they all come with a 540.
540,
But
okay.
I tell you, the Booger Ray, whatever it's called, that look like it's.
That's an awesome car. I can't wait to drive that. All right. We got some PS1, just white. And this classic Subaru Brat. We're going to paint this not box art. We're going to go, we got a hard body and the polycarbonate. We're going to go white body on this. Notice nothing's masked because this comes with stickers for the windows, the T-tops, back window, windshield. Comes with stickers for all of that, so nothing's masked on this. So we're just gonna paint the whole thing white. First coat, tack coat, nice and light, nice and easy. Oh, I'm missing my gloves. Let me go get my gloves. All right, got my gloves on. Now let's take this back outside. Subaru Brat. Check enough. Check your can. PS1 white, beautiful. Little test spray. Wind's going that way, so we're gonna paint that way. Nice and light. Some animals in the woods. Something's over there. Don't know what it is. Probably getting mad at me for painting. Alright. First coat, little tack coat. That'll be dry in just a few minutes. Put it down in the sun, let it dry. And then we'll come back for the next one. Alright, first coat is dry. Doesn't take that long, the tack coat. So that's it. You can see through a lot of it. So we're gonna come out. Shake the can up a little bit. Something, I don't know if you guys see, but I got all this woods back here. Always getting deer and turkeys and woodchucks and all kinds of animals through here. So gotta keep my eyes open. They are definitely not bothered by humans, and they'll come right up to us out here. So every time I hear things, you'll see me stop and look up. But back to the body. All right, here we go. They probably don't appreciate me spraying. All right, especially when the wind is blowing towards them. Alright. Can't really touch this one to see if there's no masking anywhere. See if it's dry, but it looks pretty dry. Been sitting in the sun for like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna do coat number 3. So the Brat polycarbonate body's done. So instead of doing the black bumpers on the inside and trying to mask it, what Sal's doing here for the moldings and the bumper is cutting the clear protective outside cover around the bumpers and the molding. Then he peels that. You find it a lot easier doing it this way, Sal?
It's not that it's easy. I mean, gotta have a steady hand, to be honest.
It's just better than trying to mask it from the inside.
Yeah, a lot
and risking having bleed through. You definitely need a steady hand. This guy could be a surgeon. How come you never wanted to be a surgeon?
I did want to be a surgeon.
You did?
Yep.
So why didn't you do it? Garbage man was a better situation?
Much easier.
So he'll cut the bumpers and the moldings the way he's doing right now, then peel away that protective plastic on the outside of the body, and then paint the black on the outside. And then after that dries, peel all the rest of it away, and then you'll have black bumpers and molding. Well, it's silver. Did we decide on doing silver or black?
Black, because of the
Doing black.
stickers.
That's right, because the stickers are black and yellow.
Don't do that. Do that.
Alright, so the front bumper's peeled off, and then we'll paint from this side. That came off nice.
Yeah, this one is gonna do that.
So now I guess you just, if any edges came up, you just push them down again?
Nah, I'm gonna put it.
Now if the edge came up a little bit, you could always just take a little masking tape and put that on there, right?
Yeah. Yes. Just stressing me out.
Fuck. So let's see how that came out. So you painted the, let me get around this side. You painted the black on the outside. Look at that. So now we got a black
Try to get
bumper.
these lines when you tape from the inside.
It's on the inside here. Piece of sticker. The back peeled off?
No, this stays
You
black.
peeled off everything? Everything's peeled off?
Yeah, everything's peeled off.
Nice, so there it is.
Sorry?
The black and white Brat. And now I'm going to put these stickers on there. When I say we, I mean Sal. How do the lines look? The lines come out good?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, coming soon. More.